the citations in the required places by using Zotero, I'll be following the following steps, which I'm going to just show it to you. So for example, this is the first line which I have to cite. I have paraphrased it from the study of Michel et al., and I now want to cite it through Zotero. I've already added these papers in my repository of Zotero in the folder of the required name. So it does not matter actually, we need to just save the paper in one of the folders, and you should know the full article or the title or maybe the author's name. If these two things are known, then most probably you will be able to actually cite it without any problem or hassle. So how can we do it? So this is the interface. I'll go to Zotero and I'll click on add citation, add or edit citation. All right, you can also add or edit the bibliography. This comes at the end of it, and you have also document preferences, which can be on the basis of what style you are using, you can use this. So right now, if I want Michel et al. To be cited here after the first line, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on add or edit citation, but still before that I would like to specify the style in which I want to work on. So I'll go to document preference, and in the document preference you can see this link coming up. So I will be clicking on APA, that is American Psychological Association 7th edition. I'll click on this. I'm using English, US English, so I can use this one. And anything else is required, bookmark field, automatically update citation, not required as of now. We can explore it later. So APA 7th edition it is, and I'll click on OK. Now I have to just add the citation Michel et al., and I have already put in my database. That is the first step. You need to have the paper in the database first. So I'll click here and I'll just click on add and edit citation, and this box will come up for Zotero. I'll just have to write down the author's name. So it's Michel. Okay, so this is the first paper which is coming up, Emerging Futures Innovation. So this is what I had to cite. So Michel et al. 2003. I'll click on this and I click on enter. You can see an automatic citation build-up comes up here and it is cited. Second, if I want in my last line, if I want it that two other authors have said the same thing, and I have paraphrased it for both the authors. So one is Cuban et al. And the other one is Forster et al. So I'll just again do the same exercise. I'll click on add and edit citation. I go to I just write Cuban et al. Or just Cuban. Okay, Cuban and Zenrich, there are only two authors, so we don't use et al. In that case. So we have Cuban and Zenrich 2015. I click on this and I click on enter, and you can see automatic citation building comes up. Now if I have to cite one more paper, then I'll click on again add and edit citation, and I'll write down the name Forster. So Forster is the name of the author. You can also just write technical change and human capital returns, even that can come up here. So I'll click on this and I click on enter. So now you see it is generated. It's quite easy, and the style which I have mentioned here is APA 7th edition. It's actually very easy to, it becomes easier to cite it, and you can definitely change the style according to which journal you are submitting in, or whatever your way of or what way of or style you are following basically. So this is at most, this is the maximum thing which you can do for citation. You can go on writing with the help of Zotero, and citation becomes easy. Now you can ask me a question on referencing. So referencing is as easy as the citation over here. So what we are going to do is references. I have created this. You can just click here wherever you want to create the citation references. So there are three, Michel et al., Cuban and Forster. These are the three articles which I have cited in my work. So these will be referred also in the bibliography. So how can I do that? I'll just go to add and edit bibliography. I'll click on this and it is done. So you can see all the 3 papers in the APA 7th edition have been put on here very easily in the style of APA 7th edition. If I want to change the style, if I want to make it 6, or if I want to make it say Chicago manual, or if I want to make Harvard style, I'll be able to do it by going to document preferences and changing the style. So I'll just show it to you how it can be done, and it's just a click of mouse. So again, I go to document preference and I change it to say Elsevier Harvard with titles this if I want to click on, and I click on OK, and you see the style has changed. It has become now Elsevier style of Harvard. Now for example, if I want to change it to say Vancouver, generally Vancouver is for the biologists, but just in order to show to you how it can be changed very easily, so you can just go to document preference and here is the Vancouver style. Click on this, click on OK, and you see it is done. So it's this is how you cite like number 1, 2 and 3, and then you have 1, 2 and 3 here in the reference column. So this is it. Basically it's a very easy tool, and according to what preferences you have, what styles you are using, you can use Zotero for your own convenience. But please remember to first add the files in the Zotero folder, and then maybe perhaps you will be easily able to do things easily. Okay, thank you.